Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to move a reference image in Krita. First, make sure you're using the Reference Images tool. This is Krita's dedicated tool for managing reference images. It looks like a pushpin or thumbtack icon in the toolbar on the left. You must have this tool active to select and manipulate your reference images. Once the Reference Images tool is selected, click on the reference image you want to move. You'll see handles or a selection box appear around the image. This means Krita has selected it for editing. Now that the reference image is selected, simply click and drag the image with your mouse to move it anywhere on your canvas or workspace. You can reposition it outside the canvas if you want it out of the way while you draw. You can also resize or rotate the reference at the same time. Drag the corner handles to scale it, and hover near the corner until the rotate cursor appears to turn it. If you don't see the image respond to dragging, make sure you have the Reference Images tool active. Other tools won't let you select or move reference images. Switching back to the Reference tool fixes this. Once it's positioned where you want, just switch to your regular paint or brush tool and continue drawing with your reference in place. And that's how you move a reference image in Krita. Thanks for watching.